Pa, ito na yung ano, yung quarantine dito sa baba, sa may sala. Ayun siya.
Ano nga ba naman ang laban ni Chris?
Ayun siya.
Diba, bago naman siya, magbitaw.
Yun ang batang dumulag. Ayun ang batang dumulag. Ayun,
sasabihin ko lang, wala man...
Aisen Bachoy! Hello!
Some talks with her.
Ayan, ito na yung ano, yung dito naman sa door, sliding door. Maganda naman yung bagay naman yung orange.
Pero kung ikaw man, may sakot mo ba? Ako, hindi na.
Depende, Christy. Depende. Kung meron siyang sasabihin, I will allow her to talk. Pero kung wala nilang siyang sasabihin, I probably say, you know, just keep quiet.
No, she was the batchmate of my nephew JP. Oh, yes. And JP was having dinner in the house with the best. I was asking, was she smart in school? Yes. And considering that she had this person
update ko na lang yung sa taas ngayon din.
years. So